Hello, I'm Sunny. The word of today is 北. In this video, I will teach you how to pronounce it, how to write it, and how to use it. First, let's read together. 我们一起读北波波 A two sides, you mouth to two sides. A subtle 北波 A 北 Very good. Now let's write it. 我们一起写点提竖撇竖弯钩北 means north. So we always hear people say north part. We say 北方 north part 北方 Okay, so we know north and go north 往北走 Also, if you go to mainland China, you will find the street name have something north part, north road. We say something 北路 For example, 三里屯北路 Okay, did you got it? If you liked this video, please like and share it to your friends. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye!